Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and in this video I will show you how to change the side key from Bixby to power off menu. So guys, for example, if I press and hold this side key, okay, if I press and hold, you see it will turn on the Bixby. It is not showing me the power off menu which I used to turn off the tablet. Okay, so how you can enable it? Okay, so first of all you have to go into the settings. Okay, first you will go into the setting. Once you enter into the settings, on the left side you have to scroll down. Okay, and you will see an option of advanced features. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the option of advanced features, so just select it. Okay, so once you select it, on your right side you will see an option of side key. Okay, so this is the side key option. Okay, just select it, and once you select it you will see an option of press and hold. Okay, so press and hold, currently it is on wake Bixby. Okay, but I don't want the Bixby, I want the power off menu, so I just select it. Okay, so once I select it, everything is done now. Okay, I just go back, and now if I use this side key, okay, and I press and hold. Okay, so now you can see it is showing the power off menu and the restart button. Okay, so if you want to power off, just select it. If you want to restart, you can select this option. Okay, so this is how you can select the power off menu instead of Bixby. Just you can disable the Bixby and enable the power off menu. So if you press and hold the side key, it is showing you the power off menu. All you have to do, just go into the settings, enter into the settings, just go to the advanced features. Okay, so this is the advanced features. So once you select it, on your right side you see the side key option, and on the side key you see press and hold, Bixby and power of menu. So I select the power of menu. Everything is done now, and you can use the side key for the power of menu. Okay, if you want the Bixby, you can repeat the same action and just select the Bixby option. And the other thing is, you can go from here as well for the side key settings. Okay, so you can see the side key settings over here showing you the option. Okay, so just select it. Once you select it, it will take you directly to the side key options. Okay, so this is how you can use it, and here you can select the wake Bixby or power off, whatever you want. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.